I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. This is the secret to a shiny floor that your neighbors will envy. Ever since I started using this mixture, my home has stayed flawlessly clean for many weeks. Start by preparing a large mop bucket and pouring in 1 gallon of lukewarm water. This will be the base. This secret formula was shared with me by the cleaning lady of the most famous hotel in the world. Now it's time for the first ingredient. Baking soda effectively removes dirt, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and works as a natural cleaning agent. Add exactly 7 ounces. The next ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. It instantly cuts through grease, evaporates without leaving streaks, and also has disinfecting properties. Pour in 2 cups. Now it's time for vinegar. Once added, your floor will be free from bacteria, beautifully polished, and free of stains. And finally, the most important ingredient, fabric softener. It not only gives your floor a wonderful fresh fragrance, but also makes it shine like a mirror. Now soak your mop thoroughly in the mixture, wring out the excess liquid, and start cleaning as usual. The effect? 0 streaks and a floor so shiny that you can literally see your reflection. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased.